approach, what should be the price point which you should keep. So at POSA, for example, because we are basically dealing with the technologies and with the seeds also. So there is this price point which we decide, and there is this whole table wherein everything needs to be considered so that a price point can be decided for one particular technology or one particular product. Then diffusion and implementation. So this is basically two sides of the same coin. So how working upon it exactly. So your diffusion and implementing that. So launch and commercialization. Now that once the solution is there, the refining is being done, then you want to launch it into the market. Now it involves not when you want to put it in the market, you want that it should be there should be a market distribution. You need to know exactly to who will be your competitors in the market, and what all price points you should be keeping so that the competition should not be there or the competition should be less. And this is to bring the innovation exactly with respect to the consumers also, who are the final people who will be taking your technology. So this is monitoring and adaptation. So at every startup where there is an idea stage, wherein we explore the ideas, think that we should be making this particular thing. Then there's a seed stage, wherein we get the seed funding from small fundings we are getting from here and there, from the government also. From then there are private funding agencies too. Then present your long-term profitability to venture capitalist. Then comes the venture capitalist. When your invention is at a particular stage, then these venture capitalists are ready to invest in your startup, the market. And then there comes this maturity stage where your startup is now no more a startup, it is a business now, and you have put it into tactics. You are knowing it, making it into either merging it with a bigger company or making it a bigger company in itself. For all the startups wherein all the incubator is having different startups, what is needed is the Startup India certification, the department of, and this is not just with respect to the intellectual property, like the fees and all. Otherwise also, many times you're getting funding because you are having this particular certificate. So we encourage all the startups to get yourself registered first. Yes, DPIIT certificate. Now comes the technology readiness level.